Hi, this is Kama Troy, host of the RV Park Builder channel. Most rural builds start with excavation. This one started with a design in 3D modeling tools. In fact, the video you are watching was created for this project by using those very same tools. The client had already selected their cabins, but before anything moved on site, we reconstructed those structures digitally and merged them with measured terrain data from the client lot. We tested layout configurations, evaluated sightlines, coordinated manufacturer adjustments with the builder, and planned infrastructure for both immediate use and future expansion. Views were protected, privacy was preserved, and utilities were routed with long-term flexibility in mind. The result isn't just a collection of cabins. It's an intentionally planned family homestead with food plots and a greenhouse, designed digitally and then built once. If you like this video, head on over to the rvparkbuilder.com to see all the details of this build. But before you leave, subscribe, ring the notification bell, like and comment below, and I will see you in the next video.